This is a very brief summary of week 4 of AD16, Eva Paracas's letter to her Pathwick friends, written in April of 1977. The one thing that I have noticed all month long is that it feels like participants have an underlying discomfort with the idea that Eva was vulnerable. There's a place where we all believe in a little bit of a fairy story, that if I'm good and I work hard and I clean up my act, that I won't have to suffer. And yet, in a paradoxical way, it is our very strength and determination that means that we're a strong force of nature, if you will, and to get us to change direction from the direction we're going in, we're going to need an equal and opposite reaction. We're going to need sometimes very difficult circumstances to arise before we will release, let go of, reconsider our false beliefs, misconceptions, and distortions. So that in prayer, what the guide suggests is that we ask for knowing, that we ask for knowledge, that we ask for help in our developmental process, rather than relief from a given circumstance, to be able to learn what that circumstance might be about and to address the underlying spiritual cause. And that's what Eva did in this letter. It's a very profound personal view of how she applied pathwork in her personal life. So I hope you read the materials. It's on my website. And thanks for listening.